Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm your cooking guy. Y'all saw that title, y'all saw that thumbnail. We are doing mini cheesy chicken tacos, y'all. So, already got my olive oil and my butter in the pan and my skillet melted. The reason I use butter to make sure you keep the chicken nice and juicy. You don't want the chicken to dry out while you're cooking it. So, first I'm going to do some chili powder, oregano, some black pepper, some onion powder, some cumin, garlic powder. On chicken tacos, gotta taste seasoning, and we can't forget that sazon. Now what? Oops. Go ahead and mix this back up. Mix this all up together. In fact, I use our hands. You can wash them. Chicken gonna be flavorful. It's gonna be juicy. Now I know sometimes people usually use chicken thighs or chicken breasts when they chicken tacos, but I ain't feel like dealing with all that thick cut meat. So right here, this is just some chicken tenderloins I cut up. Now I'll be right back. And we're gonna drop these in the olive oil and butter. Okay guys, I'm back. Now we about to drop this chicken in. And you see how that butter is nice and foamy? That's how you want your butter to be when you melt it down in your vegetable oil. Not olive oil. Or vegetable oil, use any one you want. And these are gonna cook for around, let's say 5 to 7 to 8 minutes. We love chicken tacos in here. We love the regular beef tacos. My mom made a lot of tacos that we had before. So we love tacos in this house. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite taco you like to eat, or how you like to make it. Side, you want to make sure all your chicken is down and just make sure all get cooked. Now you will know it will cook when your chicken not pink anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for, I don't say 10 minutes. So when the chicken halfway done, see, you want to start cooking like this. Get a nice brown color to it. Just stir it around, flip it. Make sure everything gets cooked through nice and even. So when the chicken almost done, we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and the chicken is halfway done. We on 4 minutes. So you gonna get yourself a nice little spatula and break this chicken apart. Nice and fine, because I still got some chunky pieces in here. So you don't want to break it apart while it's still cooking. Just break it apart while it's still cooking, just like this. See how tender that chicken is? See how juicy it is? That's how you want your chicken. And the reason you're breaking it apart, because you're making mini tacos. And we are using these tortilla wraps. So chicken got like another 4 minutes. I'm gonna finish breaking this apart, and then we'll be back to do the next steps. Okay guys, we're back, and my chicken is finished. Look at that. Look all nice and juicy. I got it all to the side. Next thing I'm gonna do, I already wipe out my iron skillet. Spray it down with some pound. Spray. And next, like I said, we got some street tacos, tortillas. The mini version. Oops. Only first thing you want to do, open these up. We're going to go ahead and do one at a time. Put some cheese on the bottom. You know, you gotta make it cheesy. A little bit more. Put cheese on the bottom of this. And while that side getting nice and crisp up, we're gonna go ahead, get a spoon. Put some chicken on here. Remember these mini chicken tacos, so don't overfill it. It's on the bottom. Then we're gonna go ahead. I said this is gonna be cheesy. Got some cheese on top. The kind of cheese we got, I have, is the Mexican 4 cheese. Yeah, I see that. Hold up. Kraft Mexican 4 cheese. After that, you're just going to want to fold 1/2, just like this. And smush it down. And let it cook. That's it. That cheese get nice and melty. Look at that. Now the chicken came out okay. That might happen. Now you don't have to make the mini ones. I bought the wrong ones by mistake. I'm like, oh. Let's show them how to make mini chicken tacos instead. There you go. Cheese still got a little bit more milk in it, so you won't flip it. Don't let these cook, and then we'll be right back to plate everything. Okay, guys, I'm back, and they are finished. Mini chicken tacos, man. This is perfect for any night. We got a date night with a special someone. If you host on a party, these good. These bad boys are good to make. Now let's look at the cheese pull right here. Cause they won't be cheesy if I don't cheat. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. These about to taste good. So if you like my video and you like what you saw today, don't forget to like my channel, share, and make a comment. What's your favorite tacos that y'all like to eat? Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, and everybody hit that notification bell. Everybody hit that notification bell, so y'all be the first one to know when Amateur Cooking Guy got a new video out. So until next time, bye.